let's learn how to find Instagram Reel templates quickly. There are two different ways that you can find Reels that maybe you want to watch. Maybe there are specific types of Reels that you want to watch. I'll show you how to find those. First way to find Instagram Reel templates is to open Instagram app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, click on magnifying glass in the bottom of the screen. Next, go on search bar and type #templates. Then go on first Reel video on this page. If this first video is not a template video, scroll down to find Reel with template, and when you find, click on it. That is an option over the nickname. Now you need to put a picture on this template. But if you can't find templates on Reels, go on home page of Instagram and scroll right to go on camera. Next, swipe up, and you can see over the picture a lot option, and click on option called templates. So on this menu you can find all Instagram templates and you can use them. The second way to find Instagram templates is to have Canva app. Canva is completely free photo editor and video editor app. You can download it on Play Store or App Store. So open the app, then go on search bar and type Reels. That will open a menu with thousands templates, and you can go on any template you want, and now you can edit as you wish, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.